Okay, you're almost done. Now what I want you to do is take your story and break it down into little phrases that fit with the music to Misty Mountains. I made this recording of Misty Mountains that's just the music for you to listen to while you're working on this to see if you can get yours to fit. So this is what I've done with mine, and I will sing this for you so you know how it fits. One morning, it was a normal day. I got right up and I stretched my legs. I went to see my mom downstairs. I smelled delicious bacon there. She called to me, "Come get your breakfast, dear." I jumped and yelled, "I'm here, I'm here." She just ignored my every cry and left for work without saying bye. By now I knew I could not be seen. I left for school, hoping it was a dream, but none could see me as I waved, and the bus driver drove away. I walked to school, which took a long, long time. When I crossed the street, I almost lost my life. No cars could see when I jumped in fear, nor could they hear me yell, "I'm here." By the time I got to my class, it had started and I couldn't get a pass. And so I thought, since I can't make a sound, I'll leave the school and walk downtown. I wandered in to every store, just looked around, but then got bored. I walked back home, head hanging down, wondering if my fate could be turned around. So you see how that works? I took my story, broke it down into phrases. I made mine rhyme, but you don't have to make it rhyme if you don't want to. When you get this done, I would like for you to type up your words and submit it in the assignment as a text box, or you can upload a file. And then there'll be one more final test on this and you're done.